Duke Cannon hails from a simpler time. A time when the term handyman was redundant. A time when chivalry and patriotism weren't considered old-fashioned. A time when you never put the word salad next to bar. In Duke's day, men didn't stare slack-jawed at smartphones or go to the gym to ride pretend bicycles. They got up before dawn to build railroads. They used power tools to keep the world from falling apart. They lived with a sense of purpose. Duke Cannon's purpose is simple: to make superior quality grooming goods that meet the high standards of hardworking men. Our products are tested by soldiers, not boy bands, and they're made in a little place we like to call the United States of America. We value things like hard work, family, bacon, and country. We champion soldiers, teachers, sledgehammerers, and fixers of toilets. So it's no wonder good folks feel right at home in Duke Cannon country.